What's up everyone? So in this video I thought I'll go over a trade kind of breakdown, but more so planning my session, right? So I get a lot of questions about why do you enter here, why do you enter there? The truth is it all comes from planning the session before the session even starts. So having a routine is very important, but having a routine in trading is non-negotiable, meaning you need to have it. So for example, if you're trading the New York session, let's say you're trading the New York AM session. If you're trading the New York AM session, this is going to be from 9:30 AM to at the very latest 11:30. However, I'm usually done by 11 Eastern. Now, with that being said, you need to plan your session. So if you're planning a session should come anywhere between 9 to about, I would say, 9:25. Definitely before 9:30, right? Because the market opens at 9:30. So if you don't plan a session, the chance of you being successful is precisely zero in the long term, right? So this is the difference between kind of trading and gambling, right? So having a plan will stop you from over trading, revenge trading, hesitating. If you can come to the charts and you know exactly which key levels to look for, which areas to avoid, what's going to get swept, what's going to get hit, what's going to break. If you know these things, if you know where you're positioned in terms of the weekly and daily opening price, all these things will help you with execution. So execution doesn't come from having the best strategy necessarily. It comes from having a strategy, but you don't need the best strategy. What you need is to be planned beforehand. So a lot of people don't know how to execute. Then they blame their psychology. When in reality, execution comes down to buyers and sellers. Taking good trades and over trading and revenge trading can be eliminated if you simply spent 15 minutes before the session planning the session. It's that simple. So what do I do between 9 and 9:25 Eastern every day? So there's a 4-step process that I follow. The first is